What's up? I'm Fat Papa BaBa. Let me show you how to make this rainbow cow bread. Let's begin. Today the ingredients we need is easy. We only need 6 of the egg white, cornstarch, sugar, food coloring, and then the vanilla extract. That's it. So now let us begin. We only need the egg white. So first we will remove the egg white from the egg. Remember, you need to be really careful on that, because for the egg white, if you have some of the oil or other thing in there, then it will fail. So what you can see is we will make 1 or 2 egg white, and then we will put it on the side first. So don't make 6 of them. It's like the 5th one or the 6th one, you break the egg and then you drop in there. So the whole thing you need to put on the side, you need to do it again. So what we do is we will put 1 or 2 egg white, remove that out, and then put in the tray first, and then do the others. That is a really important part, because as soon as you have other material in there, or you have some oil or water in, and later on when you use the mixer to mix it, you won't get the results you want, and then the whole bread will be fail. You see, now my wife is the one to show it. The reason is someone need to record the whole video, so I'm telling honestly, to make all those desserts, she is better than me. So this time I will let her to show you how to do it, and you will see my daughter cannot wait to try the bread, so she's always there. So I hope it won't make you guys feel bad, so sorry about it. And then now you will see my wife is already mixing all those egg white. And when you're mixing the egg white, you will add the sugar in there. It will be 5 tablespoons sugar you add in. And then after you add the sugar, you will add the vanilla extract in there too. That will be 1 teaspoon. So a lot of people will not add that in their recipe, but after we test it and we feel if you don't add a little bit vanilla extract in there, so the smell and then the taste will be a lot like egg, and then it's not like the bread, like the name is like cow bread. If not, you will like you are eating the cotton candy in egg taste. So after you put the vanilla extract in there, now you keep mixing it until you see a lot of the bubble, and then make sure the egg white, sugar and vanilla extract, everything is mixed well. Then now you take out the different tray. This time I use 4 different color, and if you want to use 3, then you separate all the egg white into 3 tray, and then like me it's like 4 if you want to make it 5, but the ingredient I gave you is good for 4. So if you want to do it in 3, then you need to divide everything in 3, or if you want to do 5, and then the corn structure you need to divide by 5. So now we equally to divide all those into 4 different portion. Then later and we can add the food coloring in there. So the egg coloring I use this time will be yellow, red, blue, and then green color. So in each of them, the total will be 2 tablespoons corn starch. So that means each of them is half tablespoon. And then after you put the corn starch in, then you can add the food coloring. Few drops of the food coloring will be enough. Don't put too much, since that is we gave to the kid to eat. We just hope that look a little bit nicer. Different color. If you want one of them, use the original color white. Then you just don't add any of the food color in one of the tray. It will be fine too. But since I try to make the rainbow style, so we make 4 different color. After you put everything in there, you mix them now. So this time, after you put the cornstarch in, after you mix it well, they should be sticky. How you know is that, see now, if you flip over the tray, nothing drop, then it's done. Otherwise, you try to mix it a little bit more. I will highly recommend use the machine to mix them. If you use the hand to mix them to 4 tray, then it will be hard. Maybe they are not mixed it well. Also, it will take longer time. If you use the mixing machine, then see, it's easy. Now, as long as they won't drop, that means it's done. And you can go to the next tray. And then each time before you do the next one, you need to wash the mix machine well. Make sure that is no, otherwise like the yellow color or the other color will go to the next tray. Then see, now we will put in to mix the second one. This time will be the red color. The red color, after you put it in, they will look more like pink color than red. You can add a little bit more food coloring, but we feel that should be good enough. Then that's why we let it be a little bit pink. It's same. You mix it. As long as it won't drop, it's done. And then we can go to another one. See, it look like really creamy. And that is mean it's done, it's ready to put it in the tray, and then we go bake it. Now we do the next color. It will be the blue one. It's same, and we mix it well, and then each of them we need to make sure they are good. And then now we go to the green color. After everything done, then we can put in the tray. So now you can see the color I use is this for. If you want, you can choose other color like purple or any other color is good, or you use the original color, white is fine. So that means you don't put any of the food coloring in there. See, so see, now the green color is not done well, so it will keep moving, and then we just mix a little bit more. After everything done, you put them in the tray to make sure for the baking. And then the oven you need to preheat to 300 degrees. So now first color we put in will be the yellow. So at the beginning you just need to put in. After you put all those different color in there, then you can make the shape look better. But at beginning you don't need to see. You just need to put we put yellow, and then green, and then blue, and then pink. So now is the blue color. Yeah, we just put everything in there one by one, stick together. You don't need to worry about the shape. After everything we put in the tray, then we will try to do that, make it look nicer. Now is the last one. It should be the red color, but since the color it come out is more like pink, so I will say pink color. You will see now my wife is trying to make it look more nice. Try to put the shape look like the French bread, the long one. You not want them to have like a lot of the gap in between, so try to make them well. And then now you can put the egg white in the oven. Make sure the oven is preheat at 300 degrees already, and then you need to set it. I set it is like 25, but it's not the best result. After that, I try to do another one. 28 to 30 minutes, it will be the best. So for 4 of them this size, the best is to put it 28 to 30 minutes to get the best result. And then now the outside is look brown, the golden brown color. And then after that, you let it cool down just a little bit, like probably a minute. Then you can cut it open and then to serve it, and then or let the kid have it. This will be a sweet dessert, and then the texture will be more like the cotton candy. So when you do this crown bread, make sure when you get the egg white is only egg white, and then in the tray no water, no oil, or any of the yellow part of the egg. So that will be really easy dessert ingredient. I hope your kid will like it. If you like my video, give me a like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Instagram and Facebook, and click the bell so next time I have video you won't miss it. I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.